Today, I'm showing you two Raycast features on Windows that'll genuinely save you time every day: Clipboard History and Snippets. Let's jump right in. First, pull up Raycast. On Windows, the default shortcut is Alt plus space. That's it. Now type Clipboard History and hit Enter. Look at that. Everything you've ever copied is sitting right here. Text, links, images, even colors. No more digging through old chats trying to find something you copied an hour ago. If you're hunting for something specific, hit Ctrl P to filter by type. Text, files, links, whatever you need. Once you spot what you need, just select it and press Enter. It pastes straight into whatever app you're working in. Quick tip: set a dedicated hotkey for this in Raycast settings so you can jump straight to clipboard history without opening Raycast first. Next, snippets. This is perfect for the text you type over and over, like your email signature or a canned reply. You just fill in three things: a name so you remember what it is, a keyword that triggers it, and the actual text you want it to expand into. Hit Enter to save it, and you're done setting it up. Now, anywhere on your PC, Notepad, email, Slack, doesn't matter. Just type that keyword and boom, Raycast expands it into your full text automatically. That's really it. Clipboard history for anything you've copied. Snippets for anything you type often. Give it a shot and let me know how much time it saves you. See you in the next one.